It's really inspiring to see your customers really like your product and how your product really changes their lives. Hi, I'm Demir and I'm from Bulgaria. My company is called Artidis. We create beautiful prosthetic covers for leg amputees. We want to change how leg amputees perceive themselves and how the society perceives them. The problem with prosthetics is that they just look plain and everyone has the same standard prosthesis. We want to change that, and we want to help amputees express themselves in a creative way. Our product is the prosthetic cover, and it's made with really cool design. You can wear one design on a special dinner and another if you're just going out with friends. In the building we were working on our previous business, we were running a 3D printing business. There was a fitness instructor on the next floor that had a prosthesis. He always commented that he didn't like how his prosthesis looked like. And we came up with this idea to make him a beautiful prosthetic cover. And when the first prototype came out, he was really thrilled, and the smile that we put on his face inspired us to create something for everyone, and that's how we started. It's like an icebreaker, it's a confidence booster. One of our next goals is to make a product that is universally affordable even in third world countries, in developing countries, where the demand is even bigger. Thank you, and please support my business.